Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by stopping ad targeting and noisy push ads. First, go to Settings, Google Ads, and opt out of ads personalization, then reset your advertising ID so apps lose the old profile. Once done, open Apps, find the Google app and disable notifications and background activity to cut ad triggers. Finally, in Play Store for the Google app, tap the three dots and uninstall updates. This can remove recent ad-serving tweaks and simplify the next steps. Now you remove the Pathways ads use. Disable Google Discover on your launcher to stop feed ads from appearing on the home screen, and make sure Chrome's predictive features are off. Next, open each suspected app's app info and revoke unnecessary permissions. Fewer permissions mean fewer targeted ads. Also restrict background data and battery usage for apps that serve ads. This prevents them from fetching personalized ads while idle. Together, these steps reduce frequency and relevance of ads dramatically. Finish by blocking ad traffic and hunting persistent sources. Use a reputable local VPN ad blocker app or switch to an ad-blocking browser to stop most ads without root. If intrusive ads persist, uninstall unfamiliar apps and reboot into safe mode to see if ads stop. This reveals a malicious app. As a last resort, back up your data and perform a factory reset. Make sure to restore only trusted apps. If problems continue, one key troubleshooting tip: run safe mode to isolate the offending app.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.